The British Ministry of Defence (MOD) has announced a substantial upgrade to the UK's artillery forces with the acquisition of 15 M270 multiple launch rocket systems (MLRS) and additional repair and recovery vehicles (RRVs). This move, confirmed by British Minister of State Maria Eagle on March 10, 2025, aligns with the UK's ongoing efforts to modernise its defence capabilities and ensure its military remains agile and capable in the face of evolving global threats. This decision represents a critical shift in artillery power, positioning the British Army to tackle future operational challenges with enhanced precision and responsiveness. As the global security landscape becomes increasingly unpredictable, maintaining superior artillery capabilities is paramount. The British Army is no exception, and this latest acquisition will bolster its already impressive arsenal. With the new additions, the British military will have 76 M270 MLRS units in total, including 15 additional systems to strengthen its artillery firepower. The M270 MLRS, recognized for its exceptional range and precision, will significantly enhance the UK's ability to strike targets far beyond the reach of traditional artillery systems. Known for its capability to launch a variety of precision-guided rockets, the M270 offers immense operational flexibility. This flexibility includes both short and long-range strike capabilities, with the standard GMLRS reaching up to 84 kilometers (52 miles), and the extended-range version ER-GMLRS, capable of hitting targets at 150 kilometers (93 miles). The M270's versatility makes it an indispensable asset in modern warfare. The system's ability to deliver precise, rapid strikes gives commanders the flexibility to adapt to dynamic battlefield conditions. This rapid response capability is especially valuable in high-intensity conflict zones, where swift escalation can occur, and quick decision-making is essential. Notably, the M270 is designed for precision, with a circular error probable (CEP) of just 5 to 10 meters, enabling highly accurate targeting of strategic enemy assets while minimizing collateral damage. Whether striking enemy infrastructure, military command centers, or artillery positions, the system's flexibility in launching different types of munitions, ranging from conventional to extended-range rockets, enhances the British Army's capacity to tailor responses to a variety of mission needs. One of the most notable features of the M270 is its ability to fire the ER-GMLRS rockets, which dramatically extend its range. With a reach of 150 kilometers (93 miles), these rockets provide deep strike capabilities, allowing the British Army to target high-value assets located deep behind enemy lines. The ER-GMLRS is equipped with advanced guidance systems, enabling it to accurately strike fortified positions, air defense systems, and critical logistics hubs, making it a formidable tool for strategic deterrence and offensive operations. The UK's commitment to artillery modernisation is further demonstrated by the Ministry of Defence's substantial £800 million investment over the next decade. This funding will support the procurement of GMLRS and ER-GMLRS missiles, ensuring that the British Army remains well-equipped with a robust stockpile of precision-guided munitions. While the exact quantity of missiles remains classified, this long-term investment underscores the importance of maintaining a technological edge in modern warfare. By supplementing its current stock of MLRS units and missiles, the British Ministry of Defence aims to strengthen the Army's ability to operate across various theatres of conflict, from conventional warfare to peacekeeping and counterinsurgency operations. The combination of the additional M270 MLRS units and the replenishment of missile stockpiles will ensure that the UK can rapidly deploy artillery assets where they are needed most. The addition of new repair and recovery vehicles (RRVs) is another critical element of the UK's artillery upgrade. These vehicles will play a key role in maintaining the operational readiness of the M270 systems, particularly in austere environments where rapid recovery and repair are essential to keeping artillery units operational. This ensures that the newly acquired M270 units can stay in the field for longer periods, providing consistent fire support when required. This acquisition is not just about increasing the size of the UK's artillery arsenal. It is part of a broader, long-term commitment to modernizing the country's military forces. The British Army's artillery capabilities are designed to be a cornerstone of its defense strategy, ensuring that the UK can project power, deter adversaries, and respond rapidly to emerging threats. With cutting-edge systems like the M270 MLRS, the British Armed Forces are better prepared for high-intensity conflicts, peacekeeping missions, and everything in between. In addition to new acquisitions, the Ministry of Defence is focused on upgrading and maintaining existing artillery systems. By investing in both new technologies and the upkeep of current assets, the UK ensures its military remains at the forefront of modern warfare. The acquisition of 15 new M270 MLRS units and the replenishment of missile stockpiles represent a critical step forward in the UK's defence modernisation efforts. By enhancing its artillery capabilities, the British Ministry of Defence is preparing its forces to meet the challenges of an unpredictable and complex global security environment. With advanced systems like the M270 MLRS, the British Army is poised to maintain its strategic advantage, ensuring its ability to respond quickly and precisely to any threat, anywhere in the world. This is a clear signal of the UK's commitment to preserving its military edge in the years to come.